and I have no space. My desk is crowded with stuff and I have no space to write in my journal, so I'm gonna do that on my bed. But yeah, yesterday when I went to bed I didn't put a bonnet on my head, so my hair is, I don't think it looks bad. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna start my journal off with life is good. Because I don't know what else I'm supposed to start with. Okay. Anyways. Make a list of the stuff that I have to do for today. So today being Sunday, and one of those Sundays I'm doing a lot of cleaning. I'm gonna start off with my desk because it's so crowded and I don't like it. So I'm gonna clean my desk and I'm gonna take the covers off my bed and put a new one on there and wash it. Then I'm gonna do my laundry too. I have to also clean my room and my closet. Let me show my closet one. Okay. Okay, I got clothes all over the floor and yeah. I have this stain. This my niece did that because recently I literally wiped this shiny and clean and she did that. And another stain right there, so I'm gonna get this too off. This is how my desk is currently looking. It doesn't really look bad, it just looks crowded. After I'm done with my room, I will go to my bathroom and get that one also situated. The counter though, oh my gosh, it looks hideous. But anyways, I'm gonna start off with the cleaning because I want to get this stuff done and out of the way while I have the energy to do it. You guys won't believe what happened. My niece broke my glasses. The one that, like, oh my gosh. I would definitely go and get a new pair just like this. This was my favorite glasses.
The world's greatest authority in modern dancing. Perfect.
gonna use just like normal wipes to clean this and that and see if it will go. I have like, I know there's products which can take it off, but I also want to try the wipes and see if it will go. So yeah. If you can. Oh my God. I'm getting ready for bed. I just washed my face with a Paula's Choice cleanser. I'm just gonna finish up my night routine. I'm using this.
Well, tomorrow I'll have to do a columns white. Columns white, then I can.
The homework is due tomorrow at 8 a.m. I was planning on doing it like in the afternoon today, but I had like other things. I'm gonna do my homework that is due tomorrow at 8 a.m. Then I'm going to get some sleep. Let's see.
Right here, and this sucker is Q2, and they're separated by some distance, right? And you're thinking that you want to know that force. That force is the electric force between two charges, and I suppose it's got some direction, but it's going to be Kc, which is Coulomb's constant, some constant in the universe, times the quantity of charge on thing 1, times the quantity of charge on thing 2, divided by how far apart they are squared. And which way does it point? I guess if the two charges are the same, then it points in opposite directions. It points away from the other one, so that's going to be in the r hat direction. All right, fair enough.